The error message application.exe has stopped working or program has stopped working usually appears when installing or running programs or games in general. And I personally face this issue when trying to run this game. As you can see here, before we fix the problem using the 5 methods I'll explain now, you can see that the game didn't launch and the error showed up. But after trying the 5 solutions I'm about to show you now, the game worked perfectly. As you can see, the game ran normally. So let's go and explain the 5 solutions, and I hope you support me with a like on the video and a subscription to the channel. That really motivates me to create more helpful content and tutorials for you. Now let's start with the first method. This is a method you can try whenever you face an issue opening or installing a game or program, whether it's this kind of error or missing DLL files. All you need to do is apply this trick, which I like to call the Joker method, because it solves most of the issues we face when running software or games. Just right-click on the program or game with the issue, choose Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Tick the box that says Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4, and choose an older version of Windows than the one you're currently using. So if you're on Windows 10, choose Windows 7 for example, and if you're on Windows 8, also choose Windows 7, and so on. Just like this. Then click OK, then Apply. Now try running the game or program that was causing problems, and in most cases, this will fix the issue. Method 2. This one involves disabling Microsoft services that often cause the error to appear. So how do we do that? Just open the Run window by pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. That opens the Run box. Type in the following command, misconfig, then press Enter. The system configuration window will appear. Make sure the Load Startup Items box is checked. Now go to the Services tab, click Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Apply and OK. Now restart your PC and try running the game or app again. This method worked for me personally and solved the problem. Method 3. This involves deleting temporary or accumulated system files, which can often cause this error to appear. Here's how to do it. Open the Run box again, type period prefetch and hit Enter. Delete everything in it. If anything doesn't delete, just skip it. Now do the second part. Open Run again, type temp and hit Enter. Delete all files that appear. Then, for the third part, in Run again type %temp%, delete everything you see. And again, skip anything that won't delete. Once you finish these steps, try launching the app or game again, and hopefully the issue will be resolved. Method 4. This method is very simple. Right-click on this PC or my computer, then click on Properties, then click Advanced System Settings. Now click under the Performance section. Go to the third tab called Data Execution Prevention. Make sure the first option is selected. Turn on DP for essential Windows programs and services only. Click OK. Restart your PC and try running the app or game that had the issue. If none of the first 4 methods worked, then try method 5. Temporarily disable your antivirus before installing or running the software, because your antivirus might be the reason this error appears. Also, make sure to run the app or game as administrator. Right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. Step 3. Make sure all your drivers are up to date. Keeping your drivers updated is extremely important and can fix many errors, like apps not responding, missing DLL files, and other similar issues. You can use programs like Driver Booster or Driver Pack. They're among the best tools for identifying and updating your device drivers, no matter what PC you have. After updating the drivers, try running the game or program again. and it should work smoothly as if you just installed a fresh copy of Windows with no issues. And that was a full guide with 5 ways to fix the program has stopped working error. If the video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, turn on the notification bell to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching.